me and my
She
clothes.
drunk as
I'm washing me and my clothes. What's up, y'all boys? It's your girl Frankie and I'm back with another video. Y'all might not see me in this video because I look real crusty, but what y'all are gonna see is my brand new portable washing machine and my dog Bentley. Hey Papa. All right, so here we are. Here is this bad boy. It is the Costway portable washer. This is the washer side and this is the spin dry side, so it's not a dryer. There is a plug right here on the back. Right here. I have it in my bathtub because this is where I want the water to drain out. When you open it up, you see it on the inside. I want to say is it 16 pounds that it holds to wash? Well, I actually turned it on just to see how it runs, and it runs, y'all. I purchased this beauty from Amazon. I read a lot of reviews and I watched a lot of YouTube reviews on it, and I finally made my purchase. It was $129 something, so like $130. And then I also paid, I'm gonna say I paid $30 for the 4-year warranty, because in case of any issues, like if it stops working or anything like that, I want to be able to get it replaced. So I'm not trying to play with them people. On the inside, it comes with this, okay? It has like the little instruction manual. I already know how to use this because I watched like 30 million videos on it. Down here is the drain to drain out the water outside of the washer. It is a gravity drain, so that means that it does not pump the water out. You have to have somewhere where it's elevated for the water to get out of the tube. I've seen a lot of people like had this on a like stool or something, and then they let the pump fall into like a bucket. I'm not trying to do all that. It's not really heavy. I think it's 27 pounds. It ain't heavy, but it ain't light. It's like picking up a toddler, I guess, or a 5-year-old. I don't know how much kids weigh. It comes with a little water hose that's supposed to attach to right here and right here to get water into the washing machine. All the reviews that I read said that the pipe does not attach to anybody's pipe. I'm not even gonna try it. Luckily, I have my handy dandy shower head, so that's what I'm gonna use to fill it. Apparently the review said that there's like a line that you're supposed to fill to, but I can't find it and it's not in the instructions. The instructions are broken English, so they're not a help anyway. So I'm just gonna fill it to where I think enough water would be to wash. In case you are wondering why I have a portable washing machine, check out my video where I talk about me moving and showing y'all in my apartment that there ain't no washer and dryer. So what I'm gonna wash today is all of these washcloths using Tide Pods, because that's what I got. We're gonna test it out and see if it works. I also have some fabric softener and some bleach. So when I wash rags, underwear, towels, and whites, I always use bleach because I just feel like that's how you get the best clean. I'm gonna put a little bit of bleach in there and put one Tide Pod in there, and then when I do a rinse cycle, I'm gonna put the fabric softener in. I have the drain tube hooked up. It comes with this little hook right here, which is really cool, so that way the water doesn't come out. And I need to turn this back to normal. So here are the controls. This is the wash time. 15 is the highest, 15 minutes. And then there's normal, soft, which I guess is like for delicate, so underwear, negligee, that kind of stuff. And then this is the spin time. Here y'all see me using my shower head to fill up the tub with hot water. Again, there was no lines to tell you where the water limits were, so I just used my judgment and filled it up 2/3 of the way full so that there was enough water to cover over the rags. My Tide Pod is in there and it's dissolving. You can see it down there, the water's starting to soak up a little bit. And I've already added in some bleach. I'm gonna start putting in the rags.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15.
So I'm gonna keep it at normal, and then I'm going to turn the wash time to 15. So it's already going. From the reviews that I read, it'll stop so that it can spin one way, then it'll stop and spin another way. So you can see it is going to town in there. It is soapy. I might have to do a couple rinse cycles on this. So I think a Tide Pod might be too much. What I am gonna do is drain it and see how dirty the water is when I drain it out. I'm gonna put the hose down. Put the hose down. We're gonna see how this water looks when it comes out. It looks good. Well, at least y'all know I ain't dirty. No. bad. Some people take the drain water and put it back in to do a rinse. But since this is soapy, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wash it with some fresh water. And I also feel that's kind of gross. You're rinsing it with dirty water. Okay, I lied. Look at the water on this side. Yuck. Yeah, it looks really gross. Almost ashamed, but this shows how well this machine works because look at all this dirt coming down the drain. This thing really works. It does what it's supposed to do, honey. Look at that. Look at how dirty that water is. So I filled it back up again, and now we're going to do another 15 minutes. Yeah, look at all that soap that's still in there. So you're actually supposed to take the laundry out, put it in the spin thing, let it get all the water out, put it back into the washing machine, do a rinse to get everything out, and then put it back again here so that you can do a spin dry. I'm not gonna do all that. So I didn't show you guys this part, but I actually did the second rinse, and then it was still soapy, so I held the shower head in here and I kind of just sprayed it for like 10 minutes trying to get all the soap out and letting it drain out. As you can see, it's still a little bit soapy. I did a third rinse with the fabric softener, so this is the result of the third rinse. So right now I'm going to drain this. Letting it flow out. The water looks a lot cleaner than it did when we first started. So I'm using the shower head on the highest level to try to get as much soap out of the rags as possible. And as y'all can see, it's still a lot of soap in here. After 4 cycles, I realized that the soap is just not gonna come out of the clothes unless I put them in the spin dryer. If you have a full load, you're supposed to like half it and put it in here. But since this is not a real full load, we're gonna see how many of the rags actually go in there. I think they all might fit. This is the lint catcher up there, so once you do a wash, you're supposed to like empty it out, but I got all that lint in there. So you're supposed to even out the clothes as much as possible in the spin dryer, and then you put this little disc on top to help squeeze out the excess water and make sure that the clothes don't go flying around when the spin cycle is on. So I'm gonna close it up and put it on spin for 5 minutes. You open it, stop spinning. I guess so that nothing flies out and hits you in the face, so that's great. So right now I'm scooping up the lint. Thank God I had some nails on because it made it a little bit easier. But this wasn't hard to do. I thought it was gonna be a lot harder, but it came out very easily. So now we're gonna see how well the spin dry worked. And this actually looks pretty dry. So y'all saw how damp this stuff was when I put it in. This is a really good dry in 5 minutes. I feel like if you do this for like a couple times, it'll be fully dry. Still soapy. Still soapy. So I put the rags back in for another spin dry, and then I went ahead and took the lint filter out, which is full of soap and lint. And then I rinsed it out, cleaned it out, and then I put it back together so that it can go back in the machine. I did 2 5-minute dry cycles. This is rags. They look really clean. They got some lint in it, but that's fine. And I feel like if I would have dried it one more time, these would be like 90% dry. But I'm just gonna hang them so they can air dry. So my overall rating for the portable washing machine, I would give it an 8 out of 10. Simply because it's a little more work than washing with a regular washer. However, you save so much money. I mean, your electricity bill might go up a little bit, but for me, having to do loads of laundry that costs $3 for one load, that is too much money. I think the only issue is the fact that I use the Tide Pods, which made the water too soapy, which made it like the rinsing process a lot longer. So what I'm gonna do is get some regular laundry soap. I think if I use a smaller amount of soap, that it would rinse a lot better. I do love that the spin dry really dries your stuff out. So like, feel like if I put this on for another 5 minutes, it'll be dry, fully dry. So yeah, I would definitely recommend purchasing this. If it wasn't for the whole Tide Pod thing, I'd give it a 9 out of 10 or a 9.5 out of 10. But yeah, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, tell me what you think, tell me if you've used this before, any tips or tricks. Until next time, y'all take it easy.